Demak, azizlar, taklif qilamiz. Marhamat, bizning ajoyib mehmonimiz Miss Michelle. Let's go.
Hello.
How are you? I'm fine, thank
Good
you.
afternoon, everyone. Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Yes, thank you
Yes,
for having
we are
me.
so happy today. And you?
Yeah, of course,
Are
I'm
you
very
excited?
happy. Excited and nervous.
No, don't worry, it's okay.
Nima tayyorlab beradilar bugun bizga Miss Michelle?
Today, what do you want to cook?
Shrimp pasta.
Wow.
Shrimp pasta. İngliz tilida bu shrimp deyiladi. Mana shuni aralashtirib ajoyib bir pasta tayyorlab bermoqchi, pasta.
Men yaxshi
Bu
ko'raman.
makaron bilan birgalikda bo'ladi.
Spagetti makaronlari bilan birgalikda. Endi bir boshlaylik. Meni ishtahalarim ochilib ketyapti-da bu masalliqlarni ko'rib.
Yes, we can start.
We can start. Okay.
Yes.
So,